Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Most students are using ChatGPT wrong. That's why they get bad writings, plagiarism issues, and rejection. Today, I'll show you the right way step by step. So, in the first part, we can observe that what ChatGPT can or what it cannot do. It can explain concepts, summarize text you provide, help structure ideas, and what it cannot do reliably, it cannot provide verified citations or references, replace your judgment, be submitted as it is. In part 2, I will show you the live demo, topic understanding, prompt writing, build outline, use real papers, very important, draft writing, human editing, and in the last part we will show or see what are the common mistakes that we should avoid while using the chat gpt. So let's get started. For example, I want to ask it about the environmental consequences of globalization. Environmental consequences of globalization. I'm asking that explain concepts, summarizes text from existing knowledge and help me to structure a viral, relevant, and measurable research idea. You are asking for three things at once: concept, clarity, summary, a research idea that is viral and measurable. Let's build this in a way you can directly turn into a paper or a YouTube lecture. कोर कंसेप्ट उसने एक्सप्लेन कर दिए यहाँ पर, सिंपल बट पावरफुल एक्सप्लेनेशन, ग्लोबलाइजेशन और इन्वायरमेंटल इफेक्ट, ट्रांसमिशन मैकेनिज्म. Globalization affects the environment through three main channels: scale effect, composition effect, and pollution heaven effect. Smart summary: negative effect, positive effect, pollution, deforestation, carbon emission, and positive effect through green technology transfer, environmental awareness, global cooperation. The final impacts depends on government regulation, level of development, technological innovation. This is why some countries pollute more while other becomes greener. Turning this into a viral, measurable research idea. Now, the important part: most students fail here. They write generic topics. Let's make your publishable and YouTube worthy. Title, make it viral and academic. Here are three strong options. You can choose one from it and reform it in your own wording. So I am asking it to give me an idea and defend it in a paragraph. Give me the suggested idea in a discussion paragraph. A compelling and measurable research idea emerges from examining the environmental consequences of globalization through a more nuanced lens that goes beyond simple cause and effect relationships. While globalization is often associated with increased environmental degradation due to higher production, energy consumption, and cross border industrial activities, this relationship is neither uniform nor inevitable. So here we get an idea in the form of a paragraph. So we are going back, and if you are copy and paste it in the same form, then I'm showing you what will happen. AI detection. I'm interested to check AI detection, or we are using the curl bot for AI detection. Now we are willing to check the AI detection if we are using it as it is generated by ChatGPT. 100% AI generated. It means it's wrong to use the AI generated text as it is. How we can make it humanized? We can use it the AI humanizer of Quillbot, or we can use a free AI humanization tool. So here I show you that it's wrong to use the AI generated text as it is. So here it is important to first refine it in your own wording. You can take the idea from ChatGPT, but you cannot use it as it is. So the human editing is very much important here. Interpret in your own wording, write your critiques, connect papers and ideas. What the common mistake that a researcher should avoid? Copy paste from ChatGPT using fake references, no critical thinking, blind trust in AI. So I am showing the smart workflow, the best practice. Find papers yourself. Find papers yourself. After finding your relevant paper, use ChatGPT for understanding, write and refine it with AI. Always edit manually. If you want a full research paper demo using ChatGPT, comment demo in the comment box. Thanks for watching.